Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn, and I am your communications coach or an English coach. Today I'm going to talk about a very important thing which we all forget. We always ignore this aspect, and this is where we are making a big mistake. So during our fluency journey, we have to take care of this important thing which will help you to become fluent and confident in speaking in English. What is this? I am going to discuss in detail in this session. So stay tuned. And if you like my videos, do subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, write your comments in the comment section, and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. Now let's begin with the topic. We want to become fluent and confident in speaking in English, and we try hard to achieve this goal of ours, right? We day and night we try speaking in English, we try to watch videos and try to get ideas from what next we should do to improve our English speaking. We are very excited initially, but after some time when we see that there is no progress, we feel very demotivated and demoralized, and we start thinking that we will not be able to do this, or this is something which we are not going to achieve, right? We start giving up at this point of time when we see no progress at all. Isn't it, guys? This happens to everyone. It has happened to me as well. So there's nothing to worry. But today I'm going to tell you one important thing which will help you to get out of this situation. If you keep on doing this, you will not get in a situation where you feel stuck or where you feel demotivated or where you tend to give up. And this is called introspection. Introspection means self-evaluation. So we all know that English fluency journey is long. It is a journey. There's no duration as such, right? Somebody picks up early, somebody takes some time to pick up, but people do pick up and they start speaking in English. And the more you speak, the better you get it. So you have to find opportunities, you have to find spaces where you can start speaking in English, and that is the best way you can keep on improving. Okay, but here I'm talking about introspection. Introspection means like when you started to speak in English or you started practicing English speaking, you know, after a week or 2 weeks or a month, whatever, you have to come up with a duration when you want to start evaluating your progress. So after 2 weeks or 3 weeks, you have to see what is working out for you and what is not working out for you. If there is something which is working out for you, keep it. And if you feel that this is not working out for you, scrap it and introduce something else. There are lots of ways and methods you can start practicing English speaking. You can start practicing communicating in English, right? I have spoken about different methods. So pick up 2 to 3 methods and start practicing that. Maybe after a month, see if it is working out for you. If it is not working out, scrap it and reintroduce something else. In this way, if you keep on introspecting, if you keep on re-evaluating yourself or evaluating yourself, you will definitely succeed in whatever you are doing, right? You will be able to find the right method for yourself, that what suits you, what is helping you basically. Okay, it's all about that, finding the right fit for yourself. As every time when I tell you about the websites, I give you YouTube channels, I tell you about books, I always tell you that see what is there, see the content, see how it is, and whatever suits you, pick up that. So every person is different, every person's intellect is different, every person's way of grasping things is different, right? And that is why you have to know yourself very well. What is suiting you, what is helping you, and what is not helping you. So if after 2 weeks or 3 weeks you are evaluating yourself, you are introspecting on the processes and techniques which you are using or the kind of practice you are doing, you have to see if it is helping you or not. After 6 months, if you feel that it is not helping you, have not made any progress, it will be too late and you will be exhausted as well, right? So 2 to 3 weeks is the best time where you can evaluate yourself. After every 2 weeks or 3 weeks, evaluate what is working, introspect on things, what is working for you and what is not working for you. Replace it. Use some other method, some other technique, some other thing which can help you to improve. If you're using a technique which is for beginners and you feel that you have already achieved that, try to increase the difficulty level. Take something from the intermediate stage. So you have to know about it. You have to see what you are going to do next. So basically you're setting goals here. So I'll suggest that set short-term goals, right? Your long-term goal is becoming fluent and confident in speaking in English, probably a year or 6 months or 2 years, whatever your goal is. That is your long-term goal. But for that, you have to set your short-term goals for 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Set some goals for yourself and see at the end of 2 to 3 weeks, see what is the progress. If you have made any progress or not. If you have not made any progress, what is hampering your progress? What is not helping you? That is the best way you will keep on progressing. That is the best way you will keep on improving. Otherwise, it will be too late and you will get exhausted and you will not be able to do it. Right? So that is why the first thing I would suggest is set short-term goals for yourself for 2 weeks or 3 weeks maximum. Right? Come up with a schedule for 3 weeks. Right? Every day what you have to tasks, what you have to do, reading, speaking, listening, shadowing, practicing some grammar exercises. So put all these things in your calendar. Come up with a schedule, what you have to do every single day for 3 weeks. Okay, what kind of practice you are going to do? Just a minute technique you are going to follow, 2 minutes speaking practice you are going to do, mirror talk, self-talk, whatever you are going to do. You have to put that in your calendar for 3 weeks, whatever you are going to do. And at the end of 3 weeks, see where you are, whether you are able to speak up simple sentences, whether you are able to have a conversation or a small talk with someone, or if you're able to speak fluently in front of your camera or not, or in front of the mirror or not, on any given topic, or just randomly, whether you're able to describe things in front of you or not. So you have to set a target, which is a short-term goal, and you should know what you're doing every single day, and then evaluate what is helping you and what is not helping you. Whatever is helping you, you can take it forward, and whatever is not helping you, just scrap it. Discontinue that. Instead of that, include something else. Try some other method and see again after 3 weeks whether this is helping you or not. Right? In this way, you will see a lot of progress and your time will not be wasted. It will be a quick process. And you will be motivated enough to do more or to put in more efforts because you are seeing your progress, right? Whenever it is a human psychology, right? It is science backed that whenever you see progress in something, you feel more excited. You are more motivated to do that. In this case also, if you see progress, if you see that you are building in confidence, you are building in fluency and you're able to speak compared to 2 weeks before, in which position you were, it will help you to be more motivated and more energized to do it, to achieve the target. So set short-term goals for 2 to 3 weeks. 2 weeks or 3 weeks goal you have to set and come up with things whatever you are going to do every single day. So fill in your calendar, come up with a schedule and start practicing that every single day. And at the end of 2 weeks or 3 weeks, check your progress, see what is helping you and see what is not. Come up with another schedule after 2 to 3 weeks. Again, check your progress. So in this way, you will not waste your time, you will not waste your energy, you will not be demotivated, you will not be demoralized. And you'll be able to achieve your goal in lesser time and less efforts as well. And the best part is you will be motivated and energized to do it or to achieve your goal. So start including this in your daily routine, in your schedule, in your study plan. This is actually going to help you to achieve your long-term goal of becoming fluent and confident in speaking in English. Trust me on this. So I'm going to conclude everything here for your convenience. First is set up short-term goals for 2 weeks or maximum 3 weeks. Second is track your progress here. See whatever you are doing is helping you or not, right? And the third step is introduce new activities. If something is not helping you, scrap it and introduce something else in place of that. Or if something is helping you, you feel that I need to go to the next stage, introduce something which is a little difficult than previous. So you have to come up with all these things. You have to know what to introduce now. What else you can add to your schedule so that it will help you to become fluent and confident in speaking in English, which is your long-term goal. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye. Take care.